Hi, I'm Nathan, one of the co-founders here at TestChimp. We've been working on a top secret project for the last few months, and I'm finally ready to unveil the TestChimp Mindmap. Here's the pitch. As your product grows, it's easy to lose track of the big picture, resulting in blind spots about your product. Do you know where your bug hotspots are? Do you know which screens have performance issues and which screens need testing? Imagine your entire web app laid out before you. Every screen, every bug, all your test scenarios, all in one place. And it's built completely with the power of AI. The TestChimp Mindmap is created when our agent ExploreChimp walks through your app. It builds a detailed graph of the product, capturing different screens, the element groups within each screen, and how to navigate between those screens. We originally built Mindmap to power our agent as a way of providing persistent broad context about the web app. But we realized it was actually a pretty neat canvas for teams to collaborate with our agent. Take this site. We can see it currently has 6 different screens. Zooming in, we can see all the different states available for each screen. But our knowledge of the web app goes much deeper to show the key groups of elements present in each screen, their purpose, and the possible actions, as well as many, many more things we can do. Clicking on the page reveals additional information, allowing you to go deep into the individual elements, or even view action items possible on a particular screen. As our agent navigates between screens, it learns how to move around the app, and we map how one screen leads to another. You can see that here in the Outbound State Transitions tab. Whenever you trigger a new exploration, our planner agent uses this mind map as a knowledge base to plan where and what to explore. ExploreChimp analyzes DOM, console, and network activity to capture common bugs. You can view these bugs overlaid directly on the mind map, making it easy to identify your hotspots. Mind map makes it simple to quickly pinpoint issues, drill down, and start to triage. Now here you can see we've identified a security issue. I can click to see more information, edit the bug, update things like the regular status from right within Mindmap. This makes it incredibly quick and straightforward to manage bugs and understand where they're having an impact. As ExploreChimp goes through your site, it automatically drafts test scenarios for each screen, which you can see here. Clicking on one of these cards opens up additional details. Now you can see that the agent has generated a Playwright test script for each scenario, ready for you to run and edit as needed, saving you valuable time and ensuring consistent, repeatable tests. Now, TestChimp doesn't work in a silo. Let's say you manually tested a certain scenario and you mark it as tested right here. This knowledge will be used by our agent during future explorations. When invoked, the agent looks for untested scenarios so that it can focus on what needs to be tested. Of course, you can always direct the agent to test out a specific scenario. Simply click on the scenario and tell TestChimp to explore it. As we build the mind map, we will often discover new screens, but because they weren't core to the journey, we haven't explored them thoroughly. Those screens are clearly marked in gray. We wanted to make it easy to run an exploration at any level, so you can use ExploreChimp to explore an individual screen like you see here. It's kind of like having a QA intern that you can point to a specific part of your website whenever you want. The TestChimp Mindmap provides a whole new way to picture your app. Instead of endless lists of bugs and test scenarios, Mindmap provides a bird's eye view of your entire project, helping you quickly understand what needs attention and unlocking new levels of agentic collaboration. I think it's time for you to take control of your testing like never before with TestChimp.